Hello everyone. Let's see how to solve this problem equilibrium point. So given an array of non-negative numbers are given. Our task is to find the equilibrium point in an array. That is, equilibrium point in an array is an index or position such that sum of elements before that index is same as the sum of elements after it. So in this case, we are returning the third index, which is sum of elements before the index. From this third index is like 3 plus 1, which is 4. Here, after the 5, 2 plus 2 is also a 4. In this case, 3 plus 1 is 4. And then after 5, 2 plus 2 is also a 4. So, as they say, sum of elements before that index, which is 5. Here 5 is the equilibrium point. Its index is 3. Sum of elements before that index is same as the sum of elements after it. So 4 is same as the sum of the elements after that 4. Okay, so we have to return that index. So logic to solve this is we should have the total sum, which is total sum here is 13, and then left sum. Left sum here is 0 initially because there is no left sum after the 1, before 1. So and then right sum. How we can calculate the right sum means total sum. So total sum minus left sum minus the current value AR of I. So total sum minus left sum minus AR of I. So in this case, so initially left sum is there is no value, so it is 0. After this one value, left sum is 0, right sum is 12. How we can calculate means this total sum is 13. So that is total sum minus left sum minus AR of I. Total sum is 13 minus left sum is 0 minus the current value. Current value is 1. So equal to 12. So 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 12. After before the 1 is 0, this is the left sum. After the 1 is right sum, that is 12. So likewise we have to calculate the left sum and then right sum. And then we have to check whether the left, in between we have to check whether the left sum is equal to right sum. That means we have to return the index. Since it is the one equilibrium point in one based indexing, we have to return the index value plus 1. Since this is 0, 1, 2. So while we returning this 5 is a index 2, we have to return 2 plus 1, which is 3. That index we have to return. While returning, we have to add it by 1. Or else we have to, if it doesn't have any equilibrium point, we have to return minus 1. So let's see how to code for this. So I'm just initializing total sum, which is equal to 0, and then left sum, that is also 0, and then right sum, which is also 0. And then I have to traverse through the array to get all the value, and then I have to add it in this total sum. And then I have to again traverse to the array len. And then I have to calculate the right sum. So right sum equal to total sum plus left sum plus AR of 5. And then we have to check whether the left sum equal to right sum. That means we have to return the index value plus 1. Since it is a one based indexing, that means it is start from 1, 2, 3. So usually arrays start from 0, 1, 2. So we have to add it by 1 and then we have to return. So and then left sum plus equal to AR of 5. In the left sum we have to add the current value. Initially left sum is 0 and then we have to add the current value. Finally we have to return, if there is no equilibrium point, we have to return minus 1. So initially I just explained that left sum will be 0 and then right sum will be 12 and then equilibrium point will be 1. If the left sum and right sum is equal, it is not equal, then we are traversing and then the left sum will be, we are adding the current value. Left sum now will become, before left sum is 0, now the left sum is left sum plus equal to AR of 5. The current value which is 1. 1 will be added to left sum. So right sum 13. Total sum is 13 minus. So total sum is 13 minus 1 minus 3. Then the right sum is 9. Because now the current value is 3. So AR of I is 3 and then left sum is 1. Total sum is 13. So now the right sum will be 9. And then we are checking 9 is equal to which is the right sum is 9, left sum is 1, which is not equal, and then we are traversing and then now the left sum we are just adding, already left sum is 1, we are just adding the current value which is 3. So 3 plus 1 which is 4. Now the left sum is 4. Right sum 13 minus left sum is 4 minus the current value is now 5. So right sum will be 4. And then we are checking if the left sum is equal to right sum. Left sum is already 4, right sum is now 4. So left sum is equal to right sum. So we are returning that index. Now the index is 2. So 2 plus 1 which is 3. That is the answer. Okay, all the test case passed. Thank you.